If your student is a returning student to the Raytown School District, you will use your previous username and password you used for the SysK-12 parent portal. Returning families will need the following documents: government-issued ID for parent or legal guardian, mortgage or lease agreement including the signature page, current gas or electric bill, 30 days old or less, shut-off, final notices, water and sewer bills will not be accepted. To begin the re-enrollment application, enter your username and password and click on Login to begin. Once you are logged in, your parent portal screen will populate. Returning students in your family will be linked to your parent portal. If you have a change of address, please fill out the change of address submission form for each child in your household. This is required before beginning the re-enrollment application. You will find your re-enrollment form by your student's name. Click on the Not Yet Started button to begin the application. All forms that you have completed and submitted for your student will be under Completed Forms. If you need more time to gather these documents, you can click on Save and Continue later. Click on Next Page to continue the application. Please list the school year you are enrolling your student in. Zoned school area is the school your student attended last school year. For grade level, choose the grade your student is enrolling in for the 2024-2025 school year. If the address is incorrect, please fill out a change of address submission on your parent portal for each student. Please review your saved contacts for your student. You can edit and delete contacts. Once you have reviewed your contacts, you will click on Next Page to continue. Review the student's full legal name. If there is an incorrect spelling, please contact the Enrollment Center. Please click on Next Page to continue. Please read carefully on pages 4 through 10 and answer all applicable questions. Those with an asterisk are required. For a returning student, uploading a birth certificate is not required unless there has been a change in the document. Please upload all required documents for your student's enrollment. Click to sign to agree to the authorization release. Please read carefully on pages 12 through 18 and answer all applicable questions. Those with an asterisk are required. Click on the next page to continue with the application. When you have completed all forms, you may click Submit and Finish. If you would like to apply for another returning student or add a child or student to your parent portal, click here to return to the portal.